What's the maximum resolution of the human eye? According to new research from the University of Cambridge and Meta Reality Labs, it's higher than we previously thought, but not so high that most people will notice a difference between 4K and 8K TVs in a typical living room. The researchers found that from the average viewing distance, our eyes can't actually see all the fine details packed into ultra-high-definition screens, meaning those extra pixels don't always add much to the experience. They tested how well people could spot fine patterns on screens in different colors, lighting, and angles, and discovered that earlier estimates of what our eyes can resolve have been too low, especially for black and white images. That said, the eye's ability to see detail depends heavily on color. People see much more detail in gray, green, and red than in yellow or violet, where the level of detail the eye can detect drops off sharply. This means even though our eyes are capable of noticing more than we used to think, there are still limits, especially when it comes to color and peripheral vision. In fact, a lot of what we see is pieced together by the brain, which fills in gaps and focuses our attention on what seems most important, rather than providing a full, high-res image at all times. That helps explain why bigger TVs or sharper screens don't always look noticeably better, especially if you're not sitting close. The study suggests screen makers could design displays that better match what most people's eyes can actually see, rather than chasing ever higher resolution numbers.